Hey everybody, it's Greg Rice from Nexus Property Management. We're here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and I want to talk about the importance of public speaking, especially in today's world. Okay, public speaking is statistically proven to be like number one fear or top three fears on most people's dockets, okay? With spiders and ghosts and public speaking are all in the top three. And to me, public speaking is no big deal. I'll speak to whoever you want, whenever you want. I'll look them in the eye and I'll tell them what I know and what I don't know. But a lot of people do not like talking in public. I remember being a wedding DJ and the best man would come up or the maid of honor or whoever, and you could just see that they were forcing it, that they were nervous, that they didn't want to be there, their heads buried in the paper. You know, and I give them credit for doing it, but I also wish that people took it more seriously, because when you get up and you talk, especially nowadays where everything is digital, when you're in person talking, you make impressions like that. It's instant. People are reading you, they're processing your body language, your hand gestures, your body movements, your tone, your eye contact, all of these things. The brain is processing that and formulating our opinion. So if you're a successful speaker, you can be exponentially successful in the business world, depending on what your business is. So like you see here with all of our videos, I come on, I give you the spiel, I ask rhetorical questions, I project the authority that we have, but not cocky. Okay, we're not arrogant about it. We just know that we know, and we try to help you grow and you learn. And that's why you're even watching this video now. So you need to really hone in and practice. I know it sounds silly, but the mirror, or you know what? Your dog, your cat, as silly as that sounds, try and talk in front of them. Come here, Baxter. All right, let me tell you on how to get a refinance done. And Baxter's probably like, huh? It's time for dinner? It's funny. Try with your kids. Try with your spouse, your significant other, your parents. Really, just get out there, because you don't have a lot of these opportunities to public speak. It's not something that you come across a crowd of people every day with their notepads listening to you. But when you do get that opportunity, like I was talking about the bridesmaid, the best man, you got to nail it. You got to hit it out of the park. Because if you don't, you just, and you're in those people's minds that listen to you, they say, all right, this guy really doesn't know what he's talking about, or this guy can't handle talking. How am I going to let him manage my property or sell my property? So if you look at my good friend Emilio Despirito, this guy, I mean, honestly, way better than me, public speaking. I'm pretty good, but this guy, Emilio, he is great. Emilio gets up, and I've seen it. I've seen it. He projects confidence, friendliness, authority, empathy. Okay, he's got a radio show. He's spoken in Las Vegas at national conventions. He spoke to huge crowds downstairs, real estate conferences. I've seen him in sales meetings, seen him on the bike path. I mean, I've seen him in all of these environments. And he always knocks it out of the park. And that's why he's so successful. So if you want to be growing in your business career, if you want to be building that business up, you need to get in front of people, get in front of the camera. Because people need to see you. They need to know. They need to know that you know what you're doing. Hiding behind Facebook, posting reviews, gets old and really doesn't really mean much. I need to feel, I need to hear, I need to see. And that will tell me, okay, I'll go with this guy. He knows what he's doing. Or you know what? I won't go with this guy because he doesn't know what he's doing. So you got to get out there. You got to pound the pavement. Get comfortable with yourself. Get comfortable talking. If you're afraid of people, you're in the wrong business, and I don't even know what business you're in. So get comfortable, get confident. All right? Once again, Greg Rice here at Nexus's headquarters, your property managed.